Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and best products. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the FEANISIFEI Electric Car Jack Hydraulic Kit. The best electric car jack combo kit for your vehicle, truck, or SUV. This kit is designed to make tire changes faster, easier, and safer. With a powerful 5-ton lifting capacity, it can effortlessly lift most sedans, trucks, or SUVs in just under 2 minutes. Imagine being able to change a flat tire quickly without breaking a sweat. That's the beauty of this electric car jack. It doesn't require any physical effort on your part. Simply connect it to your vehicle's power supply, and the jack does all the hard work for you. The built-in air pump is capable of inflating your tires up to 150 psi, making it a 2-in-1 tool for emergencies on the road. One of the standout features of this kit is the included impact wrench, which helps you change your tire within minutes. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're on the go or stuck on the side of the road. The wrench has plenty of power to remove lug nuts with ease, and it's designed to work quickly and efficiently, so you don't have to spend extra time struggling with a manual wrench. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to working with heavy-duty tools, and FEANISIFEI has made sure to include several features that ensure peace of mind while you use this car jack. In case of a power loss, the jack's self-locking power structure prevents any slipping or sudden movements, keeping your vehicle securely in place. The safety valve is also a great addition, allowing you to lower the jack safely once the tire is changed. On top of that, an ultra-bright LED light is built into the unit, making it ideal for working at night or in low-light conditions. Another great feature is the versatility of power options. You can either plug the electric jack directly into your car's cigarette lighter or use the included battery power. This dual power system ensures that you won't be left stranded, as it works in almost any situation. The kit also comes with extra fuses, so you don't have to worry about blowing a fuse if your car can't handle the power demands. The kit is compact and easy to store, coming with a durable carrying case that keeps everything neatly organized. This case includes not only the jack and impact wrench but also a red reflective triangle for added safety, ensuring you're visible to passing drivers when you're making repairs on the side of the road. Finally, FEANISIFEI offers excellent after-sales service. If you have any issues or concerns, the company is ready to address them with a replacement guarantee. This level of customer support shows the brand's confidence in the product's quality and their commitment to your satisfaction. So, if you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use car jack that will save you time and energy during tire repairs, the FEANISIFEI Electric Car Jack Hydraulic Kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more product breakdowns to help you make the best purchasing decisions.